Hey YouTube, it's Breach51, and this is how to make a mouse or rat trap. And what you need is like some kind of bucket, a stick,
High School Football Patrol, brought to you by Hy-Vee.
and a toilet paper roll. And what you want to do is get a toilet paper roll and put peanut butter on the inside and on the outside. And then get a stick and break it until it's the right size for your bucket, either this way, or this way. And then put this ghetto little toilet paper roll on it. And then put it in there.
It is the first official day of fall, so we should all be out in our yards and garden doing some fall cleanup to get things ready for the winter and also for next spring. We're here at spring.
And then face it to the top where the peanut butter is. And the idea. And oh yeah, and you also need
Okay, Abby, take it away. What should we be doing first?
like a wooden plank, and you just put the wooden plank like on the side where the thing is. And the idea is for the mouse to crawl up the plank and go over here, and it's gonna try and get to the peanut butter. And once it like gets over here, it's gonna roll, and the mouse is gonna fall down there. And you can put like water down there to drown it, or you can just leave it like there's nothing in there. And yeah, thanks for watching.